Looking to take your productivity to the next level, discover game-changing Google Calendar tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you manage your time, from seamless scheduling to hidden features that will keep you organized. You won't want to miss this expert insight. Get ready to transform your calendar into a powerful tool for success. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Calendar. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into calendar.google.com. This is the home page, as you can see. So we have here several things that you have to know, such as here we have the main menu. Alright, then we have here homepage calendar, and you select here if you want this today or you want also the next week or the previous week. Also select if you want today or the next day also, and this is it. Alright, then we have here the option to search. For example, search in active calendars. You select, for example, all calendars, all my calendars. Here we have birthdays, all other calendars such as holidays in Morocco. Then we have here what keywords, content, and event. Enter a participant, organizer, or creator. Enter a location or rule. Keywords, no, content, and event. And you select here from date to the date. Then you click over search. All right. Then also we have here, if I want to switch to calendar, switch to tasks, and we have here also Google Apps. All right, then we have here my account, as you can see. Then also we have here keep. For example, if I want to add a title here, add a take note, and you click hold on, you can just make it pin note, and this is it. You can use also here Android devices, iPhone and Pad, web app, and we have Chrome extension. Alright, this is for the notes. Then we have here tasks as well. For example, you can just add a task right now. You can write add title, and here we have details. For example, you select today, and you can also select tomorrow, and also here you can date and time. Alright, and you have to set the time, repeat, and you click over OK. So this is for the tasks. Then we have also here contacts, maps, and you can also get add-ons. So here we have some templates here. You can just filter the one you want. For example, if you select if it's on Gmail or calendar as well, and then you click over done, and you will find this page. You can just select the one you want, and you get started with that. Also, you can select the price here, any free of charge or paid. All right. So this is for this one. So right now in the left, we will find here other things. For example, firstly, we have a query, but let's know this. So what is Google Calendar? Google Calendar is a web-based application developed by Google that allows users to create, manage, and share events and appointments. It offers features like reminders, task management, integration with other Google services, and the ability to collaborate with others. Users can access their calendars from various devices, making it a convenient tool for organizing personal and professional schedules. So, to effectively use Google Calendar, you have just to familiarize yourself with event creation, like that. You click over create and you create an event. Also, reminders and requiring appointments to streamline scheduling, I mean. So sharing options are essential for collaboration with colleagues or family, and you get Google Calendar with email and task management tools to boost productivity. Customize your calendar with color coding and notifications to suit your preferences. With these features, you can efficiently manage your time and stay organized. So you have just to click over create here. You choose firstly, here we have event. So you have firstly to add a title, and you choose here, for example, if it's October or is it the next month, or also you have here the select time. It will be start on this time and it's gonna be end on this. All right, then select if it's all day, time zone as well. You press start and end time zones, and you click over OK. You can also use current time zone. Then you select here if you want daily, weekly on Saturday, monthly on the third Saturday, annual on October 19, every weekday, and you click over custom. Then we have also here if you want to add Google Meet video conferencing and location as well, and also we have here if you want to add description. You can just copy it and paste it on ChatGPT. Alright, then here we have the Google Drive attachment. Then you select also here, for example, you select red, and you select here if it's orange or green as well. We have blue and we have here gray, yellow, and we have also here blue and purple as well. Then we have here select if you are busy or free, default visibility if public or private. Then we have here how much minutes before. Then you add a notification here and you click over save. So this is it for create an event. Then we have here the option to create a task. So create a task, it looks like that. You have just first to add a title. You select the time also. All day does not repeat also. For example, daily, weekly on Saturday, monthly on the third Saturday, annually on October 19, every weekday as well. Then you add a description here and you select here my tasks and you click over save. Then also we have here create appointment schedule. About this one, you can firstly add a title here. Then we have here appointment duration. We select he visits 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and custom as well. Then here we have general availability. Set when you are regularly available for appointments. So you can also here select repeat weekly, does not repeat, or custom as well. Then here we have, you can just select Sunday if you want to work and you click over here and you select the time also. And if you don't want, also you can here add another period to this day if you want. Also you can add another period if we have, so we have a 3 period, sorry. And here we have also other days, so we can just delete these days or delete this period and also delete these days in available day. Then you can just click over the one you want. All right, then here we have schedule window as well. So here we have limited time range the appointments can be booked. For example, available now or start and the end date. Limited date range of for all appointments. Then we have maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked. For example, select how much days. We have a minimum time before the appointment starts that it can be booked. Then select here 4 hours, 3 hours, and other things. Then we have the adjusted availability. Indicate times you are available for specific dates. So here we have changed a dates availability. Then here we have booked appointment settings. For example, here we manage to booked appointment that will be appear on your calendar. For example, buffer time here at time between appointment slots. Then we have here minimum booking per day, limit how many booked appointments are accepted in a single day, so it selects how much. Then we will have guest permissions. You can just guests can invite others. After booking an appointment, guests can modify the calendar event to invite others. Then here we have calendars as well. All right, then you click over next and you create appointment schedule. So this is how it works with Google Calendar as a powerful user-friendly tool that helps you individuals and teams manage schedules, set reminders, and organize tasks. Its integration with other Google service and accessibility across devices make it essential for staying organized and on top of commitments. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.